Hello.
Hello. Yes, madam. I have to give na that height and width of image is less, madam. Then it will come. Suppose 300. 300.
Sir, can you share your screen?
1 minute. Madam. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, madam. So this is the proper version.
It's still loading. Yeah. Hmm.
So madam, I have to reduce size. Then I have to set madam height and width is small here 300 300.
Yeah, you can. You can. Yeah. You have reduced. Sir, for all the carousel images, width and height should be same.
This one I have given 3 madam same all 300 300.
So yeah, is that working?
That's why I'm checking is it work if it work or not. Not working madam same.
Okay.
No, why it is not affecting madam this image and height? It has to affect
So
na
the
madam.
the way you have given is wrong, I think.
This image cordial caption.
Yeah, the way this is given is wrong, I think. I don't think so. It will work. Maybe this you can fix it later.
Okay madam. I will see why it is not reflecting height and width.
Yeah. Width 100% height. So you have given, but still it's somehow it's not working. Maybe so you have not. I mean, linked the with the
Maybe madam
carousel.
this
Carousel.
due to style it is problem coming madam. Width 100, height 60.
Yeah. So maybe this is the problem. Okay, this you can fix it later. You can show me the next
Okay
one.
madam.
Model.
Too
Model,
much
small
madam.
model. Yeah.
Too much content is there.
Yeah. Too many things are there.
Now madam this is the model fade in fade out madam. So if you want to model,
Okay.
so we can use madam here model class, model fade,
Mm-hmm.
ID my model. This
Mm-hmm.
is my model dialog, model
Mm-hmm.
contents. Here this is the header and this is the body madam of the
Mm-hmm.
model.
Okay.
So madam I will
Okay. For model we have footer also. Okay.
so madam I will show you. See
Yeah, please, sir.
HTML, the
Mm-hmm.
bootstrap, model, fade in, fade out. See madam, when I will click open model, so this model will open.
Okay.
So model heading, model body and close.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Next madam, this is the for a small model madam. So
Okay. Can you show me XSL model?
so madam, this is a for a small model we have a class madam. This model SM
Okay,
for
that's fine, sir. Show me XSL model.
XSL. This one madam.
Yeah.
Okay madam. That we have madam this model XL this class. Okay, I will show output.
Yeah.
See madam now. This is extra large.
Okay, nice. Nice, sir. Yeah.
Now madam, next we have a model center. So it will come in a center. Model
Mm-hmm.
heading, model body. Next madam, model in
Okay.
scrolling way. Model will come in a scrolling way.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Show me tooltip.
tooltip. Okay, madam. So here,
Mm.
madam, and this is a tooltip, and this is the small
Mm-hmm.
that is jQuery, madam. I written here.
Mm-hmm.
Document dot ready dot function site data toggle equal to tooltip dot tooltip.
Mm-hmm.
Madam, I will show out.
Okay. Yeah. Mm.
So, madam, this is the downside. It is coming.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nice.
Next, madam, we have a tooltip
Yeah.
position, madam. We can put left, right, top, bottom.
Okay, that's fine. So show me popover.
This is the top. This is the bottom. Madam, I will show output.
Yeah.
See, madam, if I will click here, top, bottom, left, and right.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, madam,
Okay.
four it is
So
working.
can you show? Yeah. Yeah. Show me popover.
Top, madam, it is coming, na? Top side.
No. No. Popover. Next one. Next component.
Okay, next. Pop over. Okay, madam. So I will show madam first this output
Okay.
pop over.
Mhm, mhm.
See, madam.
Okay. Nice, sir. Yeah.
So it is giving some
Okay.
header
That's fine.
and
You
some
can.
contents.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, sir. Yeah.
Now, madam, position we can also put just like tooltip. We put top,
That's fine.
bottom,
That's
left,
fine.
right. We can put.
Yeah. That's fine, sir.
We
Show me
can
toast.
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 Okay, madam. Toast. See, madam, here. For some time
Okay.
it's coming
Uh-huh.
and going.
Okay. Nice, sir. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. Next one.
Now next, madam, we have a toast show and hide grid, madam. I will that is over, madam. Grid. Now three. This is the three
Oh,
here. 31. 30.
abbreviation, sticky number.
It's called spice.
Yeah. Scroll by. Yeah.
So I will show madam. It's called spice. So this is madam according to section it is displaying.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah.
This is the link one, and this is
Mm-hmm.
link two.
Mm-hmm.
It is just
Okay.
like madam section. Now we are using in section in our header. Whenever we click that section is
Yeah.
displaying.
Yeah. True. True. Yeah.
Now next.
Okay, so next one.
Now madam it is a vertical. It's
Mm-hmm.
called specify vertical.
Mm-hmm.
Now madam this is
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah, that's fine.
utilities we have madam some border.
So show me utilities.
Okay madam I will solve
Mm-hmm.
for this one utilities. So just like madam this is a rectangle here border is invisible here top is invisible here right side
Orderless.
that it is
Uh-huh.
right side invisible this is bottom here
Okay,
left.
sir. Good. Yeah, sir. Good.
This is utilities madam. Now utilities color also madam we can put in here primary
Okay, that's
secondary
fine. Yeah.
success danger warning info. This is my border radius.
Okay. Okay.
Here
Oh,
we can
that's
put,
fine. That's fine.
we can give madam radius of border large top according to round it will come.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Like responsive
So
embedded.
yeah, that's fine. So scroll down. I'll tell you which one you should explain. Vertical element. Still come down. Scroll down.
Flex.
Once again, sir. Explain me Flexbox. Flexbox.
This one madam.
Mm.
Okay, but first one I will show output. What is the number Flexbox madam? 33.0.
Mm-hmm.
Take 3.0, this one. See, madam, this is the
Okay.
flex item, flex item
Yeah.
1, item 2, item
Can
3.
you show me the code now?
But on coding,
Okay.
just like madam, this is
Yeah.
the info, warning, and primary 3 color is there, madam.
Okay.
B flex P3. Now, why, madam? What is the meaning of madam P2, P3, madam, here,
Okay.
madam?
Yeah.
Madam, this is the P2 giving class P2 BG, madam. What is
This
this P2, madam? P2 meaning it is?
P is padding.
Okay, padding 2 spacing.
You know padding? Yeah.
Ah, yes, madam. Margin and padding.
Yeah. That's that one. Okay.
Okay, madam.
So scroll down again. Yeah.
If I equal grow
So mm.
media object, madam.
Media object and nested media object. Yes.
Here, madam, I have to change this one.
So it contains only images.
Actually, madam, image now that
Okay. So
first I will change this image location. Otherwise, that image will not reflect.
okay, sir. Understood. That's fine. So you can change it later.
Okay, madam. So this is madam media
Opacity. This is opacity.
opacity.
Yeah.
So, madam, so first I will show output, madam. Here opacity 4.1.
Yeah. Please, sir.
Madam, this is over, madam. Opacity. This is madam fourth step. It is madam CSS. I explained, madam.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
fine. But I want to see what is that.
okay. Which one?
Yeah.
4.1.
Yeah. 4.1.
HTML WT
That is in
bootstrap
HTML.
4.1. Actually, madam, I
Okay.
presentation that I put in there.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
See, madam,
Okay.
this is 50% opacity, madam. It is 50%
Mm-hmm.
that fade in, fade out is
If it is
coming.
100%, okay. If it is 100% opaque, then
Then when it will become full dark, full white color will come.
okay. Okay, sir. So now you can, so you have completely done with Bootstrap documentation. Okay, now you can show me the Bootstrap project. So
Project, na madam.
where, how many assignments? Yeah, project with assignments. Show me the assignments. That's fine.
Okay, madam.
Okay, so maybe that you need not show each and everything which you have learned. So the assignments explains what you have learned, right?
Madam, actually, madam, I
You
made
can show me those.
all assignments, madam, in a index dot this HTML, madam. See,
Okay, sir.
madam,
Let me see.
this is madam. I put all
Mm,
assignment in this single file.
okay.
So, madam, I will show output, madam, first. Then you will
Yeah,
understand.
first show me the output. Later we will discuss.
Yes, madam. See, madam, now.
Okay.
This is
Nice.
madam carousel, madam.
Mm.
This is
So like,
three.
so these dashes are there, right, for carousel? Dashes.
Ah, yes, madam. This is not badges. This is new.
This is badge. Okay.
Yes, madam.
That is badge, right?
Yes, madam.
So I am saying about the dashes. Down the carousel, there are dashes, right? Three indicators.
This,
Carousel
this one,
indicators.
this one.
Mm.
Ah, yes,
Yeah.
madam.
So can you show that?
This one. Okay, madam.
Yeah.
Here, madam.
So
This one.
in the code, show me carousel with so.
Here, madam,
Yeah.
this carousel indicators.
Okay. So where have you put that carousel indicator as dash?
Means it is that line form is coming. That's what I'm telling you are.
Mm,
This
yeah,
is this
that
form.
one. Yeah, that one. Yes.
So madam, it is automatically coming. We put a data slide to 0. So first it's coming. This is active. Now second.
Mhm.
Now first. So 0, 1, 2. So 3. If we would put 3, then a fourth will come.
Mhm.
It will, so
So
according
instead of those dashes, can you give circles? Circles as indicators.
circles, madam, I can give, but I didn't try, madam, in circles. Madam, whatever they given assignment that I follow.
So okay, you can try that and you can show me that later. Okay.
Okay, madam, I will show you that circles. In place of
Instead
dash,
of the dashes, okay,
uh-huh.
circle rounds as the
Oh,
indicator.
okay, madam, I will try that one.
Okay. Yeah. So will that
So,
pause
madam,
you have used it, right?
if I
So
will
what
click
does
here,
that?
so see this model will display, madam, here.
Okay, okay, sir. Yeah.
Here, madam, again one more model is there. See, madam, this is
Mm-hmm.
reserve table.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is the address. This
So
is,
can you explain each component from the beginning?
yes, madam, no problem. I will
So
explain.
what bootstrap components you have used?
Yes, madam, here from starting, madam, I
So
will tell you this
from the beginning.
index.php, na? Here.
No, you don't need the in code. Explain me in the output as well. Only output is that fine.
Okay, madam.
Do you get my point? So explain me what each component in the output.
Okay, madam. I will explain. No problem. So, madam, here.
Yeah.
So, this is the madam. We have a nav bar, madam, for
Okay. Yeah.
put relation the menu. So, this is the image that I took size small. Here, madam, 3, 4 menu I put here: home, about,
Mm-hmm.
contact, and
Okay.
menu. So,
So
according to
what
that,
the subdivision and contact some icons?
what, madam? When I will click, madam, I given link also: home page, about page, and contact page.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Or, madam,
So
here
go back to home page now.
about page, madam,
So home page.
home page. So, this is madam home page.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, madam, here again.
So if you minimize the screen, so if you make it a smaller screen, okay. So
Hmm.
minimize the screen. So what happens? I will see. Yeah. Okay. So this is mobile responsive as well, right?
Yes, madam. This is now responsive,
Okay,
madam.
sir. Okay. So maximize. Yeah, maximize. That's fine.
Now, madam, this is the corridor. We have a
Okay.
3 images I put here, madam. Here, madam. This is the button.
Mhm.
This is the logo.
So what this is called?
What,
No,
madam?
no, it's called up. So restaurante confusion is the right. This part.
Which one?
Yeah, this one. So what we have used for this?
Here, distro
So
can.
that background I am speaking about. Background.
This one, CSS, madam. I used here.
Yeah. So yeah, can you show me that in out code?
CSS one code, madam. That
No,
one.
not CSS, sir. So this restaurante confusion is
Uh,
there, right?
uh,
So so background of that there is some light blue color background, right? So
this.
what you have used it for that?
Okay. For that,
Yeah.
madam. On that. 1 minute. This is logo here. Reserve table. No, madam, wait. I have to open that CSS, madam. That I made in change in CSS for that color.
No, I'm not worried about the CSS. Sir, not color. I am not worried about the CSS. I'm asking which component you have used. That's it. CSS, whichever color you give, I am okay with that. I'm asking what component, Bootstrap component or HTML component you have used. That's my question.
So for background color of this restaurant confusion, this one, this color.
Not background color. I am speaking about what component you have used.
Okay, components name.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1 minute. That is a 1 minute model.
So whether it is section, div, or what it is. You can search, no?
That's when I'm coding. I'm seeing what the model.
So you have used Jumbotron.
What, madam? Bread.
It already gone, sir. You're scrolling down. I have seen that inside the header.
Yes, madam.
See, inside the header, you have seen, right? So what is this
Jumbotron,
Jumbotron?
Jumbotron, madam. This is Jumbotron, madam.
Yeah, what is that Jumbotron? Okay.
This is
But you have not explained this while you explained the Bootstrap documentation, right?
Jumbotron is there, madam. Just madam, see, they are not Bootstrap documentation. HTML, WP. This one, madam, Jumbotron here.
Okay. So can you show me this output?
This madam, this full width Jumbotron, madam.
Output. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, output. Show me the output.
Madam. 7.2.
Yeah.
See, madam, this is Jumbotron.
Okay, sir. So for this, you have so now we will get back to our assignment, Bootstrap project assignment. Okay. Yeah. So that restaurant, yeah.
Yes, madam.
Okay, this is Jumbotron. Okay.
Jumbotron, yes, madam.
Okay. Second one is carousel.
Yes, madam. This is the carousel.
Okay. So scroll down. So for this, yeah.
This is madam.
This hot 4.99.
This is badges, madam.
Yeah. Badges. Okay. So can you show me this out in the code? Utta pizza hot 4.99 and that image, pizza image. So I want to see that in the code.
Coding now, madam.
Yeah, please show me the code.
User table. Yes, madam. Here, this is Uttappa pizza here.
Yeah, that is a container.
Actually, this is in carousel, madam.
This is carousel, not speaking about the carousel.
Yes, madam.
Next to carousel.
Yes, madam. Here. This is.
Yeah. These are just divs. Okay, sir. Yeah, these are just divs.
Yes, madam.
Badges and badge fill, badge secondary you have used. Okay, yeah, good, sir. So you can go to that output browser.
Yes, madam. Uttappa pizza, weekends, grand buffet, and Albert Somaya.
Okay.
This
so
is madam. They give an assignment for drawing this result table.
Okay.
They're given to make
so
model.
How you did this? Reserve a table. How is that done?
Here, madam, this is also we have a model.
Reserve a table.
Yes.
Reserve a table is there, right? Yeah.
No, madam, this is a model, madam, not a table. This is a model form.
That is fine. I'm asking about the reserve table. So
Ah,
you have
here.
in the down. So bottom of the page, not here, bottom of the page.
Ah, this one.
Yes, this one.
Ah,
Yeah, show me in the code this.
this is my model I design here, madam.
Okay, show me, sir.
Yeah, here, madam, this is model.
That's called not model.
Card, this is card, sorry.
Yeah.
This is a card, madam.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
This is review button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is date or time.
Okay, sir. Fine. Yeah, I am okay with your project. So let now I will show you what assignment you should do. Okay. So
Okay,
if you do that assignment, then your assignment two will be completed.
okay,
Right?
madam. Okay,
Bootstrap project and project presentation will be completed.
okay,
Okay.
madam.
Now you can stop sharing your screen. I will share my screen.
Okay,
Okay.
madam. Okay, madam.
Yeah. So I am sharing the screen now.
Okay, madam. I need to design, madam, the theme.
Yeah, so I will tell you what you should be doing. Okay, not exactly the complete thing. I'll show you. So you stop screen sharing. I will share the screen. You see what I want you to do. Okay.
Okay, madam. Madam, may I stop now?
Yeah. Please stop sharing the screen. Yeah, you can stop. Okay.